again. This is the second part of the video of a series that I'm making on how to use vMix. This is the part 2. So on the first tutorial I showed you how you can add all these things from your desktop to the software. Then I show you how you can create this title designer to suit your own design. Okay, then I also show you how you can add your sound. By disclaimer, this video is not for me, it's for the sake of this tutorial that I'm using it so that you can understand what I mean. Okay. So the next thing that we have to do is I want to show you how you can add your easy worship software to the tutorial. I also see many people contacting me on how they can get their easy worship connected to the software, but please follow along. It's a simple approach. So now I will open my easy worship 7. Easy worship 7. So yeah, okay, so the easy worship software, let's go to the scriptures. I don't know what you intend to connect from here, whether songs or scriptures, but for the sake of this tutorial, let me select scriptures. Okay, and let me double click on one so that it will go live. To go live, then we take it from there. So we go to live. Okay, edit, then select options. I told this video is raw. I haven't made any precept over there. I'm just doing it the way it is so that you can play along with it and do the needful. Okay, yes, so forgive me if some of the things are delaying. All right. So now we intend to connect the software, the Easy Worship 2017, to the vMix software. So before you connect that, you go to edit, you go to options, then you come to this place. You select NDI stream because you're using NDI software to link both software together. Please take note. So select NDI stream from this tab. Okay, please, I'm saying it again, we are connecting this to using NDI stream. So we only have to select NDI stream. Okay, all right, so now let's click on OK. Once the NDI stream is selected, we can now click on OK. So now we have selected our NDI stream. Let's get back to the vMix software. Okay, let's get back to the software. So within the software now we go to add inputs. Add inputs. So like I told you, now videos, camera, let's get NDI/desktop capture. We are using NDI So from the first tutorial, you can see that when I selected the NDI, there was nothing showing over here. It was virtually the audio mic, but now we can easy worship live here. So now select the easy worship. If in case you are not seeing it over here, it means you didn't do the right thing. So we have to go back, follow along, and get back here. So it's easy worship. Click on OK. So now you can see that the scripture that we have on the live is showing over here. Let's go to it. You see that is showing. Okay, so like I said, let's get back to the audio mixer and let's mute the microphone coming from the vMix. You can control your NDINS. So let's mute. We can scroll down, or we can use the mute to mute that one, so that it doesn't cause any distraction to the stream. The scripture here. Okay, that's good. So now what do we have to do next? Now I think these ones are okay for a stream. Okay, so we have a scripture, we have our ticker, then add it, we have a video, which happens to, we are zooming is a camera, it's a video, it's a camera video. Yes. So you get to your browser, and with the browser you're supposed to type Facebook. You just go to this Facebook, www.facebook.com/live/producer, then click on enter. That's where it's supposed to go. Okay, so at this juncture you have to watch, you should watch and follow how I will copy the keys from Facebook and paste it into the vMix. So make sure you're streaming on your timeline or in group that you want. Then you select the go live that you see at the first section. Okay, so let's wait whilst it loads. Alright, so we are there. So when it comes like this, there are some few things that you do within the Facebook before we can copy some keys into the vMix. So where the cursor is pointing to, make sure it's on now, because you are not scheduling the meeting for another time. Okay, then you give your meeting the title. Okay, so depending on whatever title for which you are streaming, give it the title, then the description also. You make sure you type something at the description. So give me some small time whilst I type something into the description. So it's just very simple to do. You only have to follow along and you will be able to stream. So this is where I'll end, and I'll continue on the next video. Bye bye.